तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees. On Raksha Sutra English, we are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. Once, when I was a child, I was very sick with a high fever. My mother telephoned Maharaj Ji and he came right away. He just laid his hand on my head and the fever left me. Ram. In 1964, I suffered a heart attack. My wife was very worried, but I felt a calm assurance in my soul from Maharaj Ji that I would not die. Ram. Early one morning, 5 young men came to Kanchi. They waited nervously for Maharaj Ji to make his appearance. As soon as he emerged from his room, he questioned them. They answered that they were Muslims from a nearby city. Their close relative was dying and had asked them to go and request Maharaj Ji's blessing. Maharaj Ji asked his attendants for some water, which was handed to him in a plastic cup. He raised it to his lips, whispering something. Then he blew into the water and gave it to the boys. He told them to return at once to the sick man and to make him drink it. ठीक हो जाएगा means he will be all right. At the home of some devotees in Lucknow, Maharaj Ji was giving darshan to a large crowd. Outside Maharaj Ji's room, a sadhu recited the Gita in a loud, Pandit-like voice, while the man of the house cared for his sick cat nearby. Maharaj Ji shouted to his devotee, "What are you doing with that cat?" The devotee explained that since the cat was extremely ill, he was warming it in the sun, and further he thought of taking to the vet. It's a fact of nature. Maharaj Ji said that cats don't usually need doctors. She is the property of Mother Nature. She will be all right. He took a small sweet, saying, "Give her this." Although the cat was so ill that it wouldn't even drink milk, it ate the sweet without agitation. A minute later, it leaped up and jumped on the sadhu, interrupting his recital. Then it bounded away. When the devotee came back into the room, Maharaj Ji said, "Your cat is all right now. Animals cure themselves. When they are sick, they won't eat food. They will find herbs and eat them." Ram. In Lucknow, a woman suffering from high blood pressure called her husband at the office and said she was feeling giddy and asked him to come home as she couldn't reach a doctor. When he got there, she was still unable to reach a doctor. They were wondering what to do when the telephone rang and it was Maharaj Ji calling from Agra. He said, "You are worried about your wife's high blood pressure. Don't worry, nothing is wrong with her. Give her a glass of water." Ram. One morning at 4 a.m., when Maharaj Ji was staying at my house, he said, "Come on, let's go." I said, "Maharaj Ji, I will get my car and take you." But he said, "No, I will walk." So I got my sandals. Maharaj Ji went barefoot. I didn't know where we were going, but I always entrusted myself to Maharaj Ji, because even if he said he didn't know where a place was, he knew. Often Maharaj Ji would ask, "Do you know where such and such is?" I would say no, and then he would take us there. So I surrendered myself to him. We went into a slum. Maharaj Ji came to a shack with only a window-like door, which he pushed open and looked inside. There a young boy of about 12 was lying on a cot, very sick. Maharaj Ji said to the boy, "Get up, you aren't sick." As soon as the boy was able to get up and lean against the wall, Maharaj Ji lay down on the bed. At this point, the old blind grandmother, who was taking care of the boy, awakened and asked, "Who is here?" I answered, "A Mahatma." Mahatma means great soul. Has come. Maharaj Ji asked her, "Has he been feverish with chills for 2 weeks?" She said yes. The boy probably had typhoid fever. Then the ma was uncomfortable because she had nothing to offer Maharaj Ji. Maharaj Ji saw this and spied an old can with water in it. "Ma, have you got some pani?" Pani means water. "I am very thirsty." She was happy to have the opportunity at least to give water. He drank deeply and then offered the container to me, but he knew I would never drink from it, and I said no. We left then, and the boy recovered. The Stick That Heals section is long, so further stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box, Jai Neem Karoli Baba Ji Maharaj and Jai Ramdas Ji.